Alright, so let's talk about this. Is pop music bad for classical training? No? Kasi, I know kung nag-music school ka, a lot of people would encourage you to play your pieces lang, classical lang, kasi nakakasira daw ng technique. Yung pop, pumapangit daw yung technique mo, especially sa mga violinists, minsan masasabihan ka, ay, tunog pop, ganyan, pero dapat classical, diba? Pero maturing in the industry or understanding music in a deeper sense right now, I don't believe na ganun talaga yon. May mga factors lang siguro that contribute to that notion or understanding of people. Okay, so pag sinabi kasi natin pop music, parang ang pumapasok agad, especially for people who study classical, is that masyadong madali. Madali lang siya. Pero in reality, hindi siya madali. We can call it simpler. Okay? Iba yung simple sa madali. Kasi when something is simple, there are a lot of things that you can actually do, 'di ba? So mas konting moving parts, ika nga nila. The less moving parts, the more complex you can do it, 'di ba? So kaya nasisira yung technique when someone is playing pop music. Siguro, based on my understanding, is kinakalimutan nila yung training ng classical music. Kasi nga, ang notion is pag pop yung tinutugtog mo, madali lang. So, people who play pop music from a classical perspective think na, okay, madali lang yan. They won't put in the same effort. Doon siguro nagkakatalo yun. Kasi, if you put in the same work ethic and effort in a pop song na pinapractice mo, the same as you're practicing your concerto or your sonatas or your etudes, I don't think may difference yun, 'di ba? Kasi if you put in the same effort, mas mapapaganda mo. Kaya nagtutunog simple or nagtutunog madali kasi minamadali mo din, 'di ba? And it's not good, 'di ba? Dapat yung trato natin sa music, whatever genre that is, whatever style of playing that is, we give it justice. So, nakakasira ba yun ng technique? Hindi, 'di ba? Kasi kung i-apply mo yung same principles na ina-apply mo sa classical, sa pop playing mo, edi mas maganda yung kalalabasan. And it will also help you out. But how? Kasi, to be honest, classical music is old, 'di ba? In a way, we play a lot of timeless music like Bach, Mozart, ganyan. But we're living in the now, 'di ba? And pop music is sort of bringing us closer to music na mas relatable sa atin at this point in time, 'di ba? Mas nakakaintindihan natin yung lyrics, and it gives you a different sense of inspiration and a different way of interpreting your craft. So if you use it that way, mas gaganda pa yung mga tugtog mo ng classical. Kasi kung yung pop music mo maganda, ibig sabihin naiintindihan mo kung paano siya ine-execute, naiintindihan mo yung phrasing ng mga music of today, 'di ba? For example, and then you can apply those things sa classical side. Kasi there is also this factor of interpretation, 'di ba? And sometimes, paano ka mag-i-interpret kung hindi mo na-feel yung music? And, the simpler music that we call pop, 'di ba? Mas madali mo siyang ma-interpret or mas madali ka makapag-reflect. And that could help build yourself up, 'di ba? So, yung dynamic changes, very predictable, ika nga nila. So, kung doon pa lang na nape-predict mo o saan ako magbabago, saan ako mag-build up, 'di ba? You can then apply that to your classical training as well, 'di ba? Sa mga piyesa mo na hirap kang maghanap kung saan yung phrasing, hindi mo maintindihan, mas maiintindihan mo siya, 'di ba? And ako personally, marami nagtatanong sa akin how I play classical music. I always say, I just follow how the singer or artist who sang it or performed it do it, and then add my own style, 'di ba? And you can also do that sa classical, 'di ba? Para mas magkaroon ka ng in-depth understanding. So if we use these genres or styles in a way na makakatulong siya to build us into better musicians, it's not inherently bad. Nagiging bad lang siya because other people tend to make it seem na madali lang yan, hindi ko bibigyan ng effort. It's because you lack the effort. And also, I think kaya siya sa music school masama talaga is because nakakalimutan mo na yung commitments mo inside school dahil nagpe-perform ka ng pop music. So it's not the music, it's your commitment, it's your effort, and it's your preparation that makes it bad. So walang masamang type ng music when we start to play. Everything will help you become better. Lahat ng itutugtugin mo makakatulong sa growth mo as a musician. But the way you do it is more important. Do you still give it the same importance or tinutugtugan mo lang for the sake of it? Minsan tugtog pera tawag nila, 'di ba? Yes, money is of course something that we all need, but we have to make sure that every time we perform, we give it our best para hindi maging masama. And also, ilulugar mo yung technique, 'di ba? Pero yun nga, hindi ako naniniwala na pang ganito ka lang, pang ganyan ka lang. Pag full, well-rounded musician ka, lahat yan kaya mong tugtugin, and lahat yan mabibigyan mo ng justice if your technique and your foundations are built well, 'di ba? Kasi kung wala, hindi ka na nag-aral, parang niloloko-loko mo lang yung tugtog mo, of course hindi magiging maganda yon. Kahit classical, kahit pop, kahit jazz, kahit ano pa yan, kahit EDM or rock pa yan, kung hindi mo bibigyan ng proper techniques. That's why nag-aaral tayo. And hindi pwedeng pagtutugtog ka ng simple, papangit na rin yung tugtog mo or mag-iiba yung quality. Because you're only as good as your last performance, whether that's a pop performance, that's a classical performance, diba? So, just always give it your best. Make sure you apply everything that you know, and be sure to do what is asked of you, kung ano yung kailangan sa'yo when you are performing. So, sana nakatulong to, and good luck sa inyo.